Hello, and welcome to another Sales Link training session. This is the third video in our series about Lenny, a new sales rep that has just been hired to boost the numbers in his company's sales department. In the previous two videos, using the Sales Link Pharma BDI system, Lenny was able to create a list of over 900 oncology companies in California, and then pass it over to his bosses. Next, he was able to create a list of over 150 bioanalytical contacts and start networking on his own. All of this was done in under 5 minutes. Now let's transition over to Lenny and his next project in prospect criteria. By using this feature, he won't have to go back and type out all the different search parameters when looking for new contacts. Sometimes when you do that, you might even leave one of the search fields out on accident. For Lenny to begin this project in prospect criteria, he will have to go down to the settings tab on the left, and we will find prospect criteria, which is exactly what we're looking for. Here, we must create a file name, something that is easily distinguishable and something that makes it easy for us to find when we need to get it once again. For this example, I will use today's date, and then I will go with Lenny Oncology California, because we will be looking for oncology companies in the state of California. However, we are also going to be looking for bioanalytical contacts in this one too, so I'll add that there. That makes it easy to remember. And as you can see, there is your profile there. So there are other names in there as well. If you ever wanted to create different lists, you can do that. For this example, I need a couple target companies here. So these are the companies that Lenny will be interested in, and he can create a list just based on these three companies if he wishes to do so. For the example's sake, I'm going to use Amgen, BioMarin, and also Genentech as the third. These companies I know will give me plenty of good contacts because they align with the company that we have here in the profile. So next we will need to start looking for our search parameters. So we will be looking in the state of California, and remember, we want bioanalytical titles, and don't forget too that we will be looking for these contacts in oncology companies. So once we do that, we will hit save and activate. He will go up to the left hand side and look for work queues. Now in work queues, we will find two examples here: target company prospects, which Lenny will click on in just a second, and all priority prospects. Now the target company prospects, that's more of a direct result that we're going to get from that search with the Amgen, BioMarin, Genentech, and of course, all the oncology-based companies with the bioanalytical titles there as well. Now, all priority prospects is a little different. It's more of a widespread basic search. It'll give you companies like Amgen, BioMarin, Genentech. So that's always nice. If you have a little extra time throughout the day, you're going to be able to, maybe make some more cold calls than you normally would have. Now let's click in here to the target company prospects, where Lenny will come to find out that he has found 59 contacts between the three companies we searched for. All of these contacts, of course, in the state of California. So if Lenny would like to search by company name, we can go down like this. And of course, you can search by city, the number of total clinical trials that these companies are working on, how many are open that they're working on, and how much revenue they made in the last year. And now that Lenny has this list, he is able to create a plan moving forward in how he'll reach out to the contacts. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to follow Lenny's journey some more.